Hey guys, welcome to another video. Sorry again, I'm filming this on the same day. And I apologize, I forgot again to show my face. I apologize for that. Today, we are sitting at 35 subscribers. I am filming on the same day that I filmed the last two videos. So, if my numbers have increased, I will put that in the description. But for now, if you learned something from this video, go ahead and give it a like. Subscribe if you are not. If you're not subscribed, feel free to subscribe. Leave a comment. Click that notification bell so you never miss another video. And today's question is, how many species do you think make up this family of spiders? So let's jump into it. Okay, so this is my stand-in for my wolf spider, and I'm really not sure exactly what species it is, but this is what I'm going to use. So they come from a very large family. There's about 2,300 species that make it up. These guys do not use webs to trap prey. They actually are very active and hunt down insects. They live in a multitude of biomes. Wolf spiders come out at night to hunt and can be found actually by eye shine. So their eyes will reflect light. They aren't considered to be harmful to humans. Like all spiders, wolf spiders are venomous, but that venom does not affect humans, unless you're allergic. They're a solitary creature. They will hunt insects, spiders, and large wolf spiders can actually take small vertebrates. They use visual cues when mating. Females will carry the egg sac with them. The egg sac is attached by the spinnerets. This guy has very tiny spinnerets, but you get the idea. When the eggs hatch, the mother will actually carry the babies on her back. The lifespan for a male is a year, and females can live for several years, depending upon the species. They may or may not make burrows. They are fast, and these guys move, and I'm really bad with numbers, so I'm going to write it up here. Like I said, they move pretty quickly. So these guys can actually move 0.6. And I'm pretty sure this is meters per second. So they are pretty fast. And there will be more facts on them when it comes time to actually do it. So if you follow me on Instagram or TikTok or Twitter, I will post those, how to access me on those places in a later video, not in this one because, well, I might. With that, I'm going to let you go. Goodbye.